Hi there, welcome to Block of the Month headquarters here at Stitchin Heaven. I'm here to introduce you to your Plum Fusion Block of the Month. When you get your first package in the mail, this is what it's going to look like, all nice and neat and organized. Inside your package, you will have an important piece of information that you'll want to hang on to. This is your welcome card, and inside of it, it has all of the information that you will need to be as successful as possible building your Block of the Month quilt. So it will have the information on it like when you will be billed each month, how many months the program is, and then inside we have several QR codes that can easily direct you to helpful information. The main one I want to point out is we have Facebook groups for each of our Block of the Month programs. And so you'll want to make sure to scan that and get registered for the Facebook group. And that way you can work together with all the other people who are participating in this program and share tips and tricks, get help if you need it. And also our customer service team is in there in those groups and can help you and assist you as well. Next in your pattern, you will have your complete pattern. And this pattern comes loose leaf so that you can either 3-hole punch it and put it in a binder or put it in like plastic dividers. In the front of it, there is this gorgeous illustrated pamphlet that shows you all of the blocks, also has a fabric key. Also in your introductory pamphlet, there is a QR code to go to your fabric key. Online, there will be a fabric key posted. Fabrics are not always consistently available for each program, and sometimes we do make substitutions. We try to make them match as closely as possible, but if you need to help figuring out which fabric goes where, go to that fabric key online and it will show you. This particular design is by Wing and a Prayer, and we love their patterns. We have several of their quilts going right now. We love their patterns because they are so concise, simple, easy to read. They're not too wordy and lots of good graphics, which we love. Next, inside your quilt, you will have your fabric packages. So this particular month, you will receive 2 blocks, and they're separated by block. And the awesome thing about this program is that it is pre-cut, 100% pre-cut for you, so you do not need to pull out a pair of scissors or a rotary cutter at all. And so you'll get all of your pieces nice and organized, and all the different shapes and sizes. This particular Block of the Month is from Batiks, and they're just gorgeous shades of purple and greens and creams. We know you're gonna love it. If you did not have a chance to sign up for this Block of the Month, we encourage you to go to stitchinheaven.com. That's Stitchin without a G because we're in Texas. And you can find all of the Block of the Month programs that we have listed there. We pride ourselves on being the Block of the Month headquarters, and so we have a huge selection there. We're sure you'll find something that you'll enjoy. We thank you so much for participating with us for the Plum Fusion Block of the Month, and make sure that you hop on that Facebook group and get involved. We're excited to see your progress there. Happy stitching.